In about a month or so, I'm leaving the UK. I am relocating. I'll talk about it more in another video. But one of the things I have to do is very laborious. I need to sell a bunch of stuff. I have books, a lot of books, board games, a lot of board games. I used to run a board game meetup, and just a lot of stuff that when you are leaving the country, you need to get rid of. A bunch of it's being donated to charity, but some of it I'm going to be selling. And selling this amount of stuff on somewhere like eBay or Gumtree or Facebook Marketplace is an absolute pain in the ass. So what I'm doing is I'm using AI to help me. I've built some automations that allow me to either take a photo if it's something that's recognizable or plug in the name of the object I want to sell. And the AI agent runs off, does some research for me, grabs the price that it thinks I can sell it for secondhand, and writes up a description that I can use on Gumtree, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. Dumps all of this into a document for me in my Google Drive, which basically just allows me to run through all of my books. That's like I'm selling a couple of hundred of them, and plug in the names or take photos and then get a nicely ordered list of everything, copy paste, boom, done. So a task that could have taken me hundreds of hours suddenly becomes very doable. I'm using Launch Lemonade for my automations because it allows me to get now access to some of the top models, including Opus 4.6. And I think this is also a really good example of when you have a big task, something, a project that you need to do in your life, it doesn't have to be business. One of the first things you should be thinking of is, how can I use AI to help me? How can I save time? It's a very useful mindset to get into, to when you have a big task like this, ask, how can I use AI? Generally, you can ask the AI how it can help you and then get it to do so. But realizing this requires a bit of a mindset shift.